In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a before and after slider in Wix. This simple yet impactful tool can elevate your website by providing an interactive way to showcase transformations, whether it's home renovation projects, beauty makeovers, or any transformative stories you want to share. Let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to wix.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Creating an account is straightforward and quick. Once you're logged in, navigate to your site dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. From here, you can manage your site, make edits, and of course, add our before and after slider. Click into your site to enter the editor. Now, you'll want to go to the specific page where you envision the before and after slider fitting the best. Whether it's a homepage highlight or a dedicated project page, make sure it complements the content around it well. Once you've decided on the page, it's time to dive into the Wix Apps Market. In the editor, look for the Apps section. This is a treasure trove of features you can integrate into your site, vastly expanding its capabilities. Click on it, and in the search bar, type in before and after slides. This search term should bring up exactly what we need to bring your transformation stories to life. Once you find an app titled Show the Change with Before and After, select it. This app allows you to easily implement the slider function into your site. It's straightforward and lets users interact with your content in a new, meaningful way. After checking it's the correct app, go ahead and click on it to enter its installation page. Here you'll find a button that says Add to Site. Click this to integrate the app into your Wix page. The app will guide you through the process, asking for a few permissions and confirming your intended site and page. It's usually smooth sailing, but if any prompts or pop-ups ask for more details, just follow along or refer to Wix support if you hit a snag. And there you have it. With the app added, you can now configure your before and after slider with your images, swap in your own before and after shots, adjust settings to match your site's design, and preview until it looks perfect. This tool will now allow your visitors to engage with your content dynamically, sliding between images to see the full scope of your projects or transformations. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to experiment with your sliders to make sure they enhance your site's storytelling. Stay tuned for more ways to elevate your web presence using Wix. Thanks for watching, and happy website creating!